here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm continuing on with my new home tour because we recently moved into our dream home and I'm so excited to share little design inspo and how we're doing things to personalize it and make it our own. And I've been sharing room by room tours of our home as we get them ready. And I wanted to film a little video about my favorite design ideas that have been incorporated into the home and the things that have made the biggest impact in terms of us just absolutely loving this house. So if you're on a home shopping journey or you just love interiors and house hunting like I do, then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more of my videos. Okay, so let's jump in. We're here in the master bathroom. You could probably tell there's probably a bit of an echo, but this is one of my favorite rooms of the house. And there's two things that I just love in here. So through our master bedroom, you enter into the master bathroom. And one of my favorite aspects of this bathroom is the shower. And what I love about it is two design features. Now, we didn't design this home, but I appreciate so many of the elements that were put in this home. And that one is the totally clear glass shower. I absolutely love it because I think it just opens up the whole bathroom, makes it feel so spacious, so luxurious, and just the most calm, lovely place to be. So I love that there's not a wall or anything blocking it. It's just totally open. The other thing that I love to continue on with that idea is that they continued the tile from the master shower all throughout this side of the bathroom to kind of link the tub and the shower together. And I love that idea. I feel like, again, it just unites the space, makes it feel so much more open and beautiful and just like a high-end touch to me. So that's something I don't think I would have thought of if I was designing a bathroom. I would have just stopped the tile right there where the shower is. But I love that they did that. And the second thing I love about this bathroom is that the toilet is in its own little room. So in here, I think it's called a water closet technically, but we just have toilet. There's like really high ceilings, but it's totally big enough. It doesn't feel like claustrophobic or anything. There's a little closet in here. And if you were alone, of course, you could keep this door open and just close the master bedroom door. But it's so nice when you're married to be able to use the toilet separately from the person who's showering or otherwise getting ready in the master bathroom. So there you have it, two favorite design ideas from the bathroom. Okay, next up we're in my son's nursery room. His nursery room tour should be one of the next videos I film. But I love about this room is something we actually designed in it, and that is this board and batten behind his crib. So this is something we had our contractor do for us. I think he did an amazing job and it's such a feature of the room. So it made kind of like a feature wall, but I didn't want to use wallpaper or something that I thought he would kind of grow out of. He's 2 years old now, so soon this will be a big boy room. And then I thought by doing this, it could last with him as he grows, however we change the room. So I was really excited about this. Of course, we can change the color if we want. We just decided to paint it like a dark gray. The rest of his walls are like a light gray. There's a touch of blue tone to both of these colors, but mostly they're gray. So I'll do a full room tour coming up, but this is something we just recently added. And as a bonus, I'll kind of move the camera up. We also added crown molding to each of my boys' rooms. And that was a bit of a random design choice, but what happened was we were having our guy come in to do the board and batten, and there was something about the wall color and the ceiling color that was bothering me. And I was like, oh, if it just had crown molding, this contrast of colors wouldn't bother me, and I think the room would look so much nicer, and it definitely has. So it's definitely a cost. I don't know exactly how much ours was because we did a lot of work that kind of got billed together, so I don't know the individual price, but I would say it made a huge difference in how nice the rooms feel and just like really took it up a notch. Okay, next up we are here in our laundry room slash mud room, right as you come in from the garage and into the house. By the way, my kids are playing right there in the kitchen, but I wanted to share another favorite feature of our home, which is our dog shower. So we have 2 dogs, and what's so crazy is this is our second home that we've purchased. When we were first dreaming about homes a long time ago, we made kind of a list of what our dream features in a home would be, and one of them was a dog shower, because we're always going on hikes and we have 2 giant dogs, and it was just a dream that we never thought was possible. But we talked about actually converting a spot in our laundry room in our old house in the garage, or in the basement, to a dog shower, but it was never going to happen. It was just kind of a dream. I don't think it's something that we would have paid the money to do necessarily, unless we were like already updating a room. What was so amazing about this house is that it has a dog shower, so we felt like it was just meant to be. We actually use it way more often with the kids and ourselves than with the dogs, but it is so nice with the dogs, like in the winter when they have like snow on their paws or just muddy. We definitely use it for them. We've given them a few actual like baths in here, but what we use it for a lot, I have really little kids, they're 4 and 2. We actually play a lot in here, so they have things like color changing cars and other kind of water toys that we use in the winter right here. So I can be right here with them or cooking in the kitchen, and they can do some little water play that's totally safe, confined, and not going to get too messy. I also use it for the kids to like wash off dirty feet and dirty sneakers and other things, because the laundry room is in this room as well. So it's definitely a really fun feature of the house. Okay, now I'm back in my office. Not to share a design feature, just to wrap up the video, because this is where I edit and do all my YouTube filming, which is so nice, because in our old home I didn't have a space for it, so it's so nice to have a space to actually get work done. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. I would love to hear about any unique design elements that you love in your home, or things that just really make your home exciting to you, or that you love about it. I think it's so interesting, like quirky features or interesting features that you wouldn't think of, but really improve quality of life in your home. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!